Hey there, this is Jamie Hunter. I'm an agent with Farmers Insurance Group in Manteno. Oftentimes, people purchase their auto insurance policy without really knowing what they are buying. As an agent, I try to make sure that all my clients understand their policies inside and out. Therefore, today, I'm going to give you a brief explanation of two more coverages on your auto insurance policy: uninsured and underinsured motorists and medical payments. First, uninsured and underinsured motorist coverage are exactly what they sound like. Uninsured motorist coverage covers your medical bills when the other person who is responsible for the accident does not have auto insurance. Underinsured motorist coverage covers your medical bills if they exceed the coverage limits of the other person's auto insurance policy. Let's look at an example. Say that you are stopped at a stoplight and rear-ended by Mr. Jones. You need to go by ambulance to the hospital and get checked out with x-rays, but are released with just whiplash. You missed 3 days of work and are now going through physical therapy to heal your neck. Your damages add up to $36,000. If Mr. Jones had absolutely no insurance, your uninsured motorist coverage would cover those damages up to your policy limit. If your limits were the state minimum liability requirements, you could have $40,000 of coverage, which would take care of you in this case. Your insurance would pay the $36,000 worth of medical bills. Now, let's say that you broke your arm in the accident, but Mr. Jones actually did have insurance, although only the state minimum required. Once you break your arm, your bills jump to $46,000. His insurance will pay $40,000 of these bills. What about the other $6,000? Your underinsured motorist coverage could kick in for that additional $6,000. Underinsured motorist coverage will pay the difference up to your policy limit. Now, medical payments is a coverage that a lot of people do not fully understand, and therefore they may leave it off of their insurance policy. However, it is an important coverage that no policy should be without. This type of coverage applies no matter who is at fault in the accident and covers you and/or your passengers in your vehicle. This coverage also protects you and your family while you are in other people's car or traveling by foot and are struck by another vehicle. A lot of people assume that since they have health insurance, this is a coverage that is not necessary for their policy. As a personal agent, I disagree for a couple of different reasons. First, when you have passengers in your vehicle, you can't always be sure that they do have health insurance. Secondly, even if everyone does have health insurance, most health insurance companies require a deductible. Medical payments can cover that deductible. Finally, medical payments can help pay for things that health insurance won't, such as dental treatments, professional nursing services, prosthesis, and funeral services. In our policies, you can choose medical payment limits of $5,000, $10,000, or $20,000. The most common coverage chosen is $5,000, and the cost is minimal in comparison to the entire policy. I hope that this video helps to give you a better understanding of uninsured and underinsured motorist coverage as well as medical payments. In my next video, I will explain comprehensive and collision coverage and how your deductibles work. This is a multiple-part video designed to help you get a basic understanding of how your auto policy works so that you are able to make better decisions about your auto insurance. Thanks for watching.